Hello and welcome again. A new update of PDF Viewer for WordPress has arrived. This is the update 10.9.2. You can see the changelog at the Code Canon PDF Viewer for WordPress landing page. This update has come on 13th of March 2023. The first one is better integration with Oxygen Builder. Now you can use the default GUI, graphical user interface, for Oxygen as well. Here you can see the PDF Viewer global settings, and in the advanced tab there is a new option, Oxygen Builder integration. If you enable it, you can use your previously uploaded PDF Viewer or regular PDF viewers with Oxygen Builder. The next update is fixed embed shortcode. Now, where to find these shortcodes? These shortcodes are uploaded inside the documentation of PDF Viewer for WordPress. docs.pdf-themencode.com is the link for the documentation. Here you can see the PDF Viewer for WordPress with Oxygen Builder tab. There are two methods. Already I have talked about the regular method, and the second option is the shortcode. There are two shortcodes which you will find here, and these are completely usable with Oxygen Builder. And the third update is fixed Fullscreen Mode settings issue on Xshortcode. There was an issue on link Xshortcode for some users that the full screen was not okay, or from now there will be no problem using these shortcodes. So this was the update and the version PDF Viewer for WordPress 10.9.2. I hope you like it. Do give it a try. Thanks for watching.